Hey guys, it's Mui from Blockstar today. We're at the first meetup for the Gymbros. This is the co-founder Freeze. Nice meeting you today.
Good to meet you today, bro.
So how did the first meetup go?
Amazing, bro. Yeah, it's bloody awesome. So
Yeah, nice.
happy with that.
So what is Gymbros all about?
Yeah, bro. So Gymbros is a digital collectible. It's the first ever fitness NFT in the world. We actually launched the blockchain. I think it was almost exactly a year ago now. So we got the first ever NFT fitness collection. It's about community. We got product as well. We got benefits. You know, if you own a Gymbro, you own one of our collectibles. You get a gateway basically into our ecosystem. So you get 50% off our clothing brand, Gymbros Flow. You get 2 free shirts every year for owning a Gymbro. We're aiming to be the first ever NFT collection in the world to build a real life gym, of which the NFT will give you access to the gym as well. And we're tackling supplements as well. So we've got a bit in the works, we've got an epic community and it's all good, bro. So
Love what you guys are doing here. Love the community, love the first meetup. Everything went so well today. So when is the next meetup?
Next one, well, after today we're feeling pretty pumped, so we want to do these in a few states in Australia, so I'd say next one probably would be Sydney. I don't know the date yet, but we're going to get to the drawing board and we're going to organise it, right?
Yeah. Well, you had it here first. Next meetup might be in Sydney. Hopefully I'll see you there.
You're going to come down, eh, bro? Shit, let's go.
Let's go.